Welcome to this video tutorial. It's going to give you a quick overview of your business portal. Before we jump right in, I do want to point out that at the top of each of these pages in your business portal, you have a Show Video Tutorials drop-down menu that walks you through the specifics of what you should be doing on that page so that you know exactly the steps that you should be taking on that page. They're very short. They span between 2 and 10 minutes depending on the page that you're on and all the features that they have within. With that being said, the first page that you'll land on when you first log into your business portal will be this connections page, because we want to give you the ability to connect to and begin posting to your social media accounts. So go ahead and click connect under any of the social media connections that you want to make connections to and begin posting to. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to your social media tab, which is located at the top left corner of your browser. You'll notice that there's another menu here which provides you with some additional tools. The first one being content, which is where you're going to land on first. And you'll see a drop-down menu located right here under that content tab. And you can actually click on that to find different categories of articles from all over the web that you may want to find. So this first one is a simple search for content. And you can type in any and all keywords that you want to find articles about and click search. And then you'll find a list of the most recent articles using those keywords here. You could always preview the article by clicking the link. Type in your custom message right here, whatever you want to go out with the post. A label, which is going to help you to identify that post in your queue, your content calendar, if you decide to use that. You can have it repeat if you'd like to do that. So I can have this repeat every 15 days through the end of the year. And you'll want to select which connection you want to post to by clicking this Post To button. You can have this post now or post later. And you can choose a content banner if you have one built, which I'll get to in a moment as well. Then you can click Post, and you'll see, because I have this Hide Already Posted Articles button checked off, that this article will now disappear as it has, and our post has been posted. So it's that easy to find content from the web. You also have other topics right here that you can search from, such as if you are, for example, a real estate agency or agent, you can click on real estate, and we've provided you with another drop-down menu with all sorts of other sources of news that relate to the real estate agency, or real estate news rather, that you can select articles from in the same way that I showed you in the search. Lastly, under content, you have the ability to actually add your own feed. So you can see I have a My Feed section here, and you can select which feeds that you want that you've entered for yourself. To do that, you'll just click on Content Feeds, RSS Feeds, and you'll actually go ahead and add your own feeds so that you can pull in news from those websites that have RSS feeds that you want to pull in RSS feeds from to your platform. Going back to social media, you have the ability to connect to and post to Pinterest if you want to do that. Just go ahead and connect it in the Connections tab, and you'll be able to connect to your Pinterest boards. Same with your Google My Business account. You also have the ability to create custom posts, so not just posts from the content, but you have the ability to post your own links, your own text, images, and you can upload your own images here. And you can upload video as well, and all the same sort of functionality. You can enter your own message and provide your own label, have it repeat, etc. In the queue section, this is where you're able to find all the articles that you have scheduled. So this list view is the first view that it defaults to. You can see this here that says test. That's my label, so I can see, make notes to myself about what the article is or the content is that I'm posting. You'll see the ability to change your content that you're sending out with this message, your label, your post date and time, whether you want to repeat, etc. So all the same functionality that you have available to you when you're making the post at first is available for you here as well in your scheduled and repeating posts. If I click on the calendar view, you'll get a list of all the upcoming posts on your account. You can easily drag and drop any post to another location that you want, and you'll see if I toggle ahead, I can see upcoming posts that I have repeating or I've scheduled for the future. The snapshot is just a simple snapshot of all the posts that you made from your account and those connections that you've made, just some quick analytic information about those accounts and posts that you've made. For monitoring, you can simply connect monitoring connections from Yelp, Foursqaure, Google, and Facebook, and email yourself or anyone else that needs to be emailed whenever new reviews are pulled into the platform. So you can see I've connected a Yelp and a Google account for Pizza Hut, and this person is getting emailed here. Those connections can also be made in the Connections tab. If you need more robust analytic reporting, you can click on Analytics and create your own reports. You'll see the ability to create a custom report from scratch or templated Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Pinterest reports. You can even create reports from your deals and sweepstakes and content banners and see how those are performing as well. When you click on sweepstakes, you'll have the ability to create a sweepstake. You'll see I already have one created here. Very easy to create those. You just fill in this information, upload a cover image and or logo, and provide the information here. And when you go back to the sweepstakes tab, you'll see now there's a URL that you can use to post to any of your accounts: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, or Pinterest. You can always export the people who have entered to enter these sweepstakes. And just to give you an idea of what this looks like, your sweepstakes can look something like this with the cover image, the title, description, logo, terms and conditions, and whatever data that you want to collect from your customers who are entering to win or entering your sweepstakes, whatever they may be. You also, of course, have the ability to edit or delete your sweepstakes as need be, and you can add as many sweepstakes as you'd like. Same goes for deals. You can easily add a new deal and view that deal and prompt your customers to enter the deal from your Facebook account, Twitter account. You can link to it from your website. Anywhere that you want to promote this deal, you may do so, and you can collect whatever information that you want from your clients as well. Email integrations. This gives you the ability to collect email addresses from your sweepstakes, your deals, and your content banners. You can see I've connected to my MailChimp account. You have the ability to connect to either Constant Contact or MailChimp, and anytime someone enters their email address into any of these three categories, sweepstakes, deals, or content banners, they can go directly into your Constant Contact or MailChimp account email lists. Otherwise, if you choose not to use this or you don't have either of these accounts, you can come in here and export those that customer data at any time. You'll also notice that you can see how many views, how many deals were sent, and how many were redeemed right here as well. And all of those can be included in your analytic reporting as well. This social ordering tool allows you the ability to create an online shopping cart. You can sell your products online if you're not already doing so. All of these video tutorials are located at the top of each of these pages to walk you through how to configure your online shopping cart, your location, upload your menu and product list so that you can sell your products, create coupon codes if you want to create sales or discounts or perks for customers as they're checking out to get a discount, a dollar amount or a % discount off their order. You can decide what payments you want to receive from cash or credit. And on this reporting page, you can see all of the orders that have come through from whatever time period that you want. The content banner tool allows you to view or create content banners. You have the ability to select content banners that you want to attach to an article. And just to show you what this looks like, I'm posting this link here from E. If I click preview, this content banner for this business will now appear at the bottom of this article. This can link to my business's website or wherever I want it to go, and it includes my business name, clickable email, phone number, logo, or headshot, or whatever you want it to be here. So these are all customizable, and these get sent out with your link. So anytime someone clicks on a link that you've attached a content banner to, that will appear here and highlight your business or whatever you want to be promoting on that content banner. So this content banners page allows you to create those content banners. Again, we have a video tutorial that shows you how to create and deploy them here. There's all sorts of different types. You can do a simple link to or upload an image that for customers to be able to download and exchange for their email address. You have banners that have your image or whatever you want to that links to back to your website or wherever you want it to go, or a simple request for your customers to subscribe for your email list, etc. Going back to connections, again, this is where you can connect all of your different social media accounts, your monitoring connections. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll also have the ability to disconnect any accounts you no longer want to post to, or refresh any accounts that may need to be refreshed. So that's everything on your business portal. I hope that that was helpful. And again, if you have any questions about any pages that you may be stuck on, please reference the video tutorial drop down at the top of that page. Thank you so much.